my objective behind School of Creativity was that I learned early in life that we teach all kinds of subjects in the world, but what we need most to live in this world are just three things. Number one, how to live, how to love and how to be creative. क्योंकि देखें आप जिंदगी का जो सम टोटल है, इट इज ओनली अबाउट दीज थ्री थिंग्स. ए, यू शुड बी एबल टू सर्वाइव, यू शुड नो हाउ टू लिव इन दिस वर्ल्ड, you should be able to love people, and more than that, you should be able to love yourself and love the mother nature around you. Then only you can have a relationship and a bonding with the world. And the third thing is creativity. If you are not creative, you won't be able to create food, you won't be able to create anything for yourself, anything which makes this world go. And these are the three things God has gifted us, but we need to learn in the society, that in each individual society, how you can be more creative. Problem is, the education system tells our minds and tells us you are an engineer, you are a doctor, or you are a bread earner of the family. It never tells you that basically you are a creative person. Above anything which needs to be considered today is creativity, above education, above livelihood, above survival. And that's why I thought it's very important to rejuvenate the already gifted trait of creativity to people. And that's why I started School of Creativity. My idea is to basically mentor and train every year minimum 10 to 20 young boys and girls of India who are disadvantaged, who don't speak English, who have no MyBap in the field of creativity and entertainment, people who feel underconfident because they don't come from privileged background. My idea is to mentor these kind of people and tell them and teach them what is real creativity and how creativity as a tool in your life can make you successful. You can do whatever you want. You can be an engineer and doctor, but if you have a creative consciousness, you can always achieve success. And that's what I want to educate people. And all over the world, I want to run these digital master classes, not just with me, but many other creative people, so that you can learn how to destroy everything you have learned earlier, and how to de-learn everything you have learned earlier, and how to disrupt the system so that you go ahead of everyone and your creativity shines and you become successful. Join School of Creativity, do at least one course and see for yourself. I challenge, I guarantee that your life will change.